movies or TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick, all for free. We're going to go to the find icon, the little magnifying glass, and come down to where we can type in downloader. Downloader gives us the ability to sideload applications on the Amazon Fire TV stick. Sideload apps that aren't available on the Amazon store. So highlight downloader, this orange icon, click on it, get it, install it. While we're waiting for it to install, please share this with a friend. Everybody needs applications like this. So it'll put it in the queue, download it, and then install it automatically. Once it's installed, let's not open it yet, and head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games section under the Fire TV stick. We can highlight downloader, use the 3-line button on your remote, and move it to the front. Head to the home screen and click on downloader. Find downloader, open it up. Allow downloader to access photos and media on your device. Downloader needs access to this stuff. So we're going to say allow, and then you can read through the quick start guide if you would like and say okay. Now right here, we're going to highlight the enter a URL search term or short code, and I do have a short code for you. 370178, and this will link us to the Led by the Unknown website to get these awesome applications. Once the 5-second redirect is done, to prevent it from happening again, once the page is loaded, use the 3-line button. Use the 3-line button on our remote. And it comes up, add current page to favorite. We can do that and save it, and boom. Now on the left bar there, you'll be able to see our shortcut. Now guys, there's some extra videos in here, some how-tos, some other tutorials, and all the apps you can think of down below. Let's head down. If an ad pops up,
it doesn't have anything to do with your fingers.
Yo, welcome to the part that YouTube will let me show you. Welcome to the part that YouTube will let me show you.
enjoy.